Here it comes, guys. This is all gonna be a train of storms approaching Sullivan, Missouri. Right now I'm at a gas station getting some footage right now. Man, there's a lot of flashes in the sky, meaning that there is storms on top of us. This is gonna be a crazy chase for flash flooding. I have never chased a flash flood event before, and I'm really nervous because I'm waiting for all this rain to come down from the sky and be nuts. And I'm gonna have a hard time driving out on the highway. So wish me luck, so I don't get into an accident or even worse, die. So yeah, this is gonna be bad. The rain is here. The rain is here, guys. This is where the flash flooding begins, right in Sullivan. I've been standing out in this one spot for over 45 minutes and it's already here. This is gonna bring very bad flash flooding later tonight and overnight. So right now, these storms are really gonna be bad when it comes to flooding. So hopefully we do not have any injuries, deaths, or anything like that. Hopefully everyone is on high ground. All right, update on this rain. The winds are starting to get a little intense. Oh boy, you can see those winds going that way. See those winds? Oh wow. Oh, here we go, guys. Yep. This is the part where it gets really windy. Oh man, that is nuts. Look at all that wind. See all that wind going towards it's going that way. But we got some damage. Someone's bag or something got, oh dear God, yep, we got debris. We got debris. Oh. Okay. That is, okay, we got a bit of damage. There we go, guys. Holy crap! Oh my God! This is some strong winds! Oh yeah, I am getting affected right now. Look at those winds! This is like a freaking hurricane. I'm like literally out in a hurricane right now. Oh my God! This is probably 60-mile-per-hour winds at least. Oh no, it's ramping up. Yep, big wind gusts. Big wind gusts. Oh my God. Oh yeah, baby. Let's see if that power line might explode. Holy crap. Not destructive, thankfully. Oh my God. I'm soaked. I'm soaked right now. Oh my God, this is pure chaos right now. Oh my Lord. I don't know how long this is going to last for, but this is going to be a train of storms. Holy crap, dude. Oh my God. Major wind gusts. That was a woman that ran behind me trying to get to shelter. I don't blame her one bit. That, oh my Lord, look at that. You hear that? That is hitting my car. These winds are so strong. You can feel that. Oh. I think my phone is getting wet. Nuts. Hope that helps. Oh my goodness. Intercepting a very bad windstorm now with lots of rain, which is gonna it's going to be a threat for flash flooding. Some damage, we have a bit of damage. Oh my God, I can't see anything, guys. I really cannot see anything. I hope you guys can see it. Oh my Lord, this is crazy! Look, luckily I don't think this is strong enough to knock out the power. Oh yeah, that is some nasty winds. Oh, big wind gust there. Big wind gust. Wow. Oh wow, look at that rain just going into. Wow, this is some strong winds. All right, I think it's starting to end. So we're gonna soon be heading northeast towards Jefferson County. So that way we can see some severe flooding problems there. Oh man, that was a strong wind bag. Ooh-wee.